Hello, I'd like to introduce you to the Closeburn Passivhoos project. Built in a small village in the heart of Dumfries and Galloway, the project was commissioned by Nith Valley Leaf Trust, built by Stewart and Shields, and designed by John Gilbert Architects.
Hi, I'm Mike Steele from Nith Valley Leaf Trust in Dumfriesshire. Just over 4 years ago, we started a project to provide affordable, energy efficient, attractive housing for our young people. We got a grant from the Scottish Government, wind farm monies and a mortgage, and have nearly completed 3 very attractive passive house 3-bedroomed homes.
When we first discussed this project with Nith Valley Leaf Trust in 2015, we were struck by their determination to achieve the highest standards of energy efficiency and sustainable design. As we moved into the development and planning phases of the project, these intentions were underpinned by evidence of a need for family-sized affordable homes within this fragile rural community and wider evidence of fuel poverty.
Closeburn is part of a series of social housing projects being built across Scotland. These are aiming to demonstrate how building to the passive house standard can eliminate fuel poverty. So what is passive house? We've designed carefully for the climate, including solar gain and the shading. We've looked carefully at the placing of the trees and how we've put the windows. Then we've insulated really well, and really carefully to ensure there's no thermal bridges. There's triple glazed windows and doors throughout. The building is really airtight, which eliminates drafts and stops heat escaping out through those drafts. Then we've ventilated carefully with mechanical ventilation with heat recovery. This recovers the heat from the outgoing air and recirculates it in the house. Having done this, the activities and appliances in the house generate enough heat that we really only need a very small heating system to keep everything warm and comfortable. This achieves houses that have a significant reduction in fuel cost, low carbon emissions, and they're on their way to meeting a zero carbon home standard. The project is built simply, using high efficiency materials and maximising the use of timber. We've formed a simple terrace, finished in larch and render, with a hint of colour. This reflects the village and rural setting. The interiors are bright and light, and there's views to the hills from the main windows.
In the future, it means that our young people can stay. It means they can send their kids to our school, use our shop, and take part in all the activities like the gala that we run at the moment. So for us, passive houses really work.
For our organisation, this is an incredibly important project in terms of demonstrating what community-led housing can achieve, particularly within the context of available funding, and in particular the Scottish Government's Rural Housing Fund and the Scottish Land Fund, and we hope that it will form a benchmark for future projects. For us, it's been a pleasure to work with Nith Valley Leaf Trust and the design team over the course of the past 5 years, and as we reach the point of handover of the Closeburn Passivhoos, the conversation is already turning to what we do next.